welcome to All About Cars. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Audi Q3, a compact luxury SUV that blends performance, technology, and elegance. With a refreshed design, advanced features, and Audi's signature Quattro all-wheel drive system, the Q3 is ready to redefine the premium SUV experience for drivers who demand both style and substance. The 2025 Audi Q3 stands out with its bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted body lines that enhance its aerodynamic profile. The refined exterior design gives it a sporty yet sophisticated look, ensuring it makes a lasting impression on the road. With dynamic wheel options and an aggressive stance, the Q3 is built to turn heads wherever it goes. Under the hood, Audi offers an efficient yet powerful engine lineup, providing smooth acceleration and impressive fuel economy. The refined transmission ensures precise shifts, while the adaptive suspension enhances ride comfort and handling. Whether navigating city streets or taking on winding roads, the Q3 delivers a confident and engaging driving experience. Inside, the 2025 Q3 features a luxurious cabin with high-quality materials and cutting-edge technology. A fully digital driver's display, an intuitive touchscreen infotainment system, and smart connectivity features make every drive seamless and entertaining. With spacious seating, ambient lighting, and premium comfort, the Q3 offers a first-class experience for both drivers and passengers. Safety is a top priority with Audi's latest driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and advanced collision avoidance technology. Multiple airbags, a reinforced frame, and intelligent sensors work together to provide maximum protection, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. With its stunning design, refined performance, and innovative technology, the 2025 Audi Q3 sets a new benchmark for luxury compact SUVs. Are you ready to experience Audi's excellence in a versatile and stylish package?